So hello guys, I'm back with another banger. So today, let me tell you guys how sour is this sour mini bits. So yeah, and today I'm gonna do a close reading. So let me get my clothes. This jean that I like. So I came just now from school. Wait man. Okay, I can't show you guys how my dressing. So you guys are going to have to like, follow, subscribe. You guys have to like and subscribe, and just comment in this video, like say, okay, you like the outfit, okay, I don't like the outfit, yeah, and that stuff. So I'm done. I got it on. Let me show you guys. Yeah. And guys, let's do this challenge. If I'm gonna take this sour mini but saying you guys can see my face. If I make a face, if I like myself, then you guys can end this video, like leave it, like skip and that stuff, and don't subscribe. So let's do it. Shoo! My mans. Let's do this. 3, 2, 1, go. What's it eating it? Isn't that sour for me, guys? See, big muscles is the trick, guys. See, I'm like a bodybuilder. See, big muscles is the trick. See, see, the muscles is the trick, and this is the trick. So, like, let me get my sweater. So, guys, I'm back. This is my sweater that I'm going to put on. Okay, yes. Put it on. Okay, I got it on. We got that. Okay. Oh yes, and if you guys wanna know what school I go to, my school's name is Northwood Primary School. So if you guys wanna maybe come meet me by my school. Okay, I'll see you in this next video.